Hello to my fellow history fans and people that just like to learn cool stuff. I am author Eileen Schnabel, author of the Cap Westgard Time Travel to the American Revolution series, and we have one question today, continuing on George Washington. And the question is, whom did George Washington replace as Commander-in-Chief of the Continental Army? And the answer is, kind of trick question, he didn't replace anyone, he was the first. But it did make me curious, who came after him? So here is the deal. 1783 comes along and he departs. He resigns his commission, and the world is somewhat shocked because he has enormous power as a general and could have done a power grab, but he doesn't. He goes back to Mount Vernon, basically. And who came after? And it turns out for a long time there is no commander-in-chief. We're in peacetime. Congress isn't really sure how much of a standing army it even wants or needs. And so the small, tiny one that's left, most of it's been disbanded, are the power sort of divided among several people, including one of my favorites, Henry Knox, who was the cannon guy, remember, and also the bookseller. So it wasn't until 1789 when Washington is elected president that he once again becomes commander-in-chief. So thanks for letting me share, and I hope you have a wonderful day.